Okay, so not sure how this is going to work. I'm wondering if this girl has stolen all the babies. She's definitely, the orange one is definitely more aggressive than the other. Or more puffed up anyway. They don't seem to be going at each other. They just both are following the babies around. So I'm hoping that they'll co-raise them. Interesting situation. It's an experiment. We'll see how it works. Someone must have dumped some pasta over there in the tall grass. They have new forage that they're enjoying, as well as a little bit of pasta. And apparently that's a good thing. Hi, Gus. It's about 100 degrees in this coop, but these babies just hatched, so technically they don't even need to go under mom, because that's about the temperature of mom. You're checking out the new babies, Gus? You like the babies, don't you? You like having babies around. Can you protect the little babies from the big babies? What's going on, little one? You can't figure out how to get out? Gus, I wasn't hurting her. I wasn't. I know you're protecting the babies, but I wasn't hurting her. She's got to figure her own way out. these guys are doing a pretty good job of raising these 10 chicks together, getting along fairly well. And so we'll just leave them be for now.